Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and today I wanted to share with you my pocket planner setup. Now this is the one and only pocket planner that I own. It is a Filofax Domino Soft in, I can't remember the exact name, but it is like the baby pink color. It's so pretty. I was inspired by several people to get this planner. I feel like it's kind of been a trend to have pocket planners recently, and I really like it. I think it's so cute and it's so tiny. I mean, people always say that, but it's like your hand in size, you know? So the reason I wanted to get a pocket planner was because I wanted to have a planner that was handbag size for me. Now, I like to carry pretty small purses, crossbody bags mostly. I don't want to carry like big, heavy purses or bags. None of the other planners I had, like, I mean, I could fit a personal size into my bag or bags, depending on which one I'm using, but it just took up so much space and I didn't have a lot of space for other stuff. And it's pretty heavy, you know, like a leather planner with a lot of inserts and stuff. It weighs down your bag a lot, I realized. And yeah, so because of this fact, I never ended up taking my planners with me anywhere. Like on the go, I never had my planners with me, which I know sounds crazy for a planner girl, but if something came up that I wanted to put into my planner, I just jotted it down into my phone. Also, because I work from home, I don't really need to take my planners with me all the time. Like my work planner I have on my desk, but I did want to have a planner on the go because I feel like, you know, I miss not being able to write stuff down by hand. So I thought the solution would be for me to get a pocket planner because it's very tiny. Now, this one together with my other handbag essentials does not fit into my favorite handbags, which are pretty small. I have a confession to make. The past months, I haven't actually really been, or I guess the past month, I should say. Throughout the fall, I did use this one quite a bit, but I haven't really since. And I might get back into it, we'll see, but I have decorated it with actually a lot of stuff from the Happy Scrappy March kit. It was the denim blues kit, which this bow was included in, super pretty. But I thought, you know, the denim blues with the silver just worked really well. I haven't decorated it heavily because I wanted to be a bit more functional. But I thought I could show you anyway to see what I did, so here we go. So this is what you first see when you open it. It's pretty simple because there's only one pocket, you know, here. I can't really put a lot of stuff. There's no like card pocket here. I kind of wish there was, but so yeah, I do have to say pocket planners are super cute and I did have a lot of fun setting this one up. I mean, it's just so cute. So the dashboard is actually, I think it was a B6 journaling card from my newest addiction that I got in an order quite a while ago. I did put the flyleaf that came with the planner just on top to kind of protect it a little because I did not laminate this card. I just kind of let it be. But when I cut it down to pocket size, it actually did fit pretty well. It says a little glambition never hurt. And I think it's really cute with the marble. Marble and denim is kind of the theme, I guess, because I did stick to that quite a bit. And I have also chosen to go with silver hardware whenever I can. So the very minimal decoration in the pockets, it's not just decorative. I have this little heart paperclip. This one I got from a Kikki K gift pack, and I mean, I put some paper clips here that I can actually use if I do need an extra paper clip when I'm using the planner. Then I just have, this is actually a business card from Hello Petite paper that I got, I think, this past summer. And the colors really fit with the denim with a kind of darker blue, good vibes only. And I think it's a good thing to see when you open it. It makes me happy. And there's also, holding that down is also this like chunky silver paper clip. This one I got from Petite Pink Boutique a little while ago. And then back here, I have a little mini notebook. This one is actually from PenGems. I don't know if you can see the logo there, but I got this one with the marble or Dolce Vita collection. And it's just a really tiny notebook and the paper is so smooth. It's like, it doesn't feel like paper. It almost feels like plastic. It's like crazy smooth. It's pretty thin though. But yeah, I haven't used it as you can see. I was thinking of using it as like a little, I mean, it is a notebook, but I was thinking maybe putting just like some quotes or stuff that inspires me in here. Stuff that I thought, you know, when I'm on the go, it would be nice to have. It does pop a little bit of marble there as well, which is mostly for decoration. So yeah, but down there was the dashboard, which you already saw. These tabs I got from, oh, let's see if I remember her name. Hello Papers Co. I think it's a shop from Spain, which makes really pretty laminated dividers in different sizes. I was thinking of making my own dividers. I do that a lot, but I wanted to have marble dividers, and I went to her shop and she had these really pretty ones. She had actually a lot of different marble designs I could choose from in different shades. I'll link all the shops I mentioned down below in the description, by the way, so if you want to check it out for yourself, you can. As you see, I haven't decorated it. I did actually only decorate the dividers on this side because I've noticed something that when I use my planner, like let's see, I open it up and I flip to, this is my like monthly view, by the way. I only see this part, like I never, you know, see what's on here. So I thought I should just decorate this. I didn't want to bulk it up too much. Sometimes I put deco on both sides, but I didn't in this case. Here's just another business card from Hello Petite paper that's gold foil and says hello. Once again, it had the pink, it had some of the blue. It matched really well and I love this card. I have put some vellum from Happy Scrappy on each, or I mean behind each of the dividers as like the first thing you see. And this one came with the Denim Blues kit. Then we have, here was 2018 yearly overview. Here's 19. These, all the inserts, or at least most of them, I got from Jen Web Designs, which is a Swedish Etsy shop, and she makes inserts for a lot of planner sizes. I didn't want to print and cut myself, mainly because this size is a little difficult, I feel like. A5 is kind of easy for me, but personal and pocket is, I don't know, a little harder. So the inserts are in Swedish, so I will translate it for you when I get there. But this is just monthly view. And here's just a little paper clip. This one's black. And like I said, I haven't used it. Oh gosh, don't tell me I haven't used it since September. Okay, so this should, oh no, never mind. Okay, so it makes sense now. I had, holding some pages together, I had this little palm. This is a super teeny tiny felt palm paper clip. This one I got from the Hooting Pirate. I thought the mini palms would fit super well in this tiny planner, so I had to put them in here. But yes, I haven't used this one since November, as you can see. I haven't decorated any of the inserts, like at all. These inserts are only like practical. I use them only to quickly jot down stuff or for me to easily see. Like I make the setup pretty, but I don't make the inserts pretty because I wanted this to be functional, especially because I will have it on the go. So yeah, but this one should be holding December, since this is, I'm filming this in December. This video might go up in January though. I do have, I think, up until July, yes. So that was the rest of the inserts. Then the next one is weekly view, and here I have a little die cut that I got in a Happy Scrappy kit. Like I said, I tried to keep to the colors like pink and blue and gray and silver as the metallic. So yeah, I mean the pink is very typical me, but I usually don't use this much blue, but I thought it matched really well with this planner. So here's some more vellum from Happy Scrappy. And yes, this is just weekly view. And I did put I did choose the vertical layout. I do realize now that it's very small. Like you have to write very small to get vertical. But I am a lister and I like to put like bullet points and stuff. So I do think it still works pretty well for me. And yeah, I just have, like you can see, I just have some very boring, like it's just pen and I don't even really try to make it pretty. I just use it functionally. So yeah, let's see. I have put the today marker here. So this is where I'm filming this. Oh, here's this Black Friday list. That's over now, so I'm gonna remove that. I have this page marker that I made out of different things from that Denim Blues kit. I had some leftover vellum, and I also had this today, like, it was a die cut, but it was meant for you to use as like a bookmark. So I just laminated all that together. I know this one is really big, But that's kind of the point, because I want to be able to put sticky notes on here. So yeah, but I really like how that looks like peeking out from the top. It's very easy for me to get to as well. And then I just have some more inserts. Let's see, I have it up until March, I think. And I also like that all of them say what week it is, because I always forget the week number. I haven't put anything on the tabs, and I kind of stopped doing that because I pretty much always have the same order in all my planners. So it's always monthly, weekly. I think this is lists. Yes. Here's just a die cut from, this one is from Mommy Lay from the Little Bits box that had some similar colors and fit. So, and here's some more vellum from Happy Scrappy, and here I just have this just to buy list papers, also from Jan Web Designs. Next one I think is notes. Here's just, this was a printable die cut from that Happy Scrappy kit. Some more vellum, and here is another one of those little palms, super cute. This is just some note paper that I think came with the planner actually from Filofax, and it's kind of thin, but it's pretty smooth paper. Here I have a little, I don't know what you call it, I guess a little flipper. This is just a PenGems like business card that I really like the design of, and I thought the colors worked, so I just punched that and put in here. And here is the last divider, and I haven't put anything on that, as you can see. I guess I didn't have anything, or I forgot. Here's just some more note paper. I have some blank stuff here that I bought from Filofax. I can sketch or doodle. I don't do that a lot, but I want to be able to if something comes to mind. And so yeah, I have a little of that. I also have some dot grid. And here I have contact inserts. I have this gray bow, double bow. This is so pretty. This one is from Blush Bow Boutique. And then this came with the planner, I think. This is just a little top-loading plastic pocket. And in here I just put a little die cut that was a printable from that same Happy Scrappy kit, as well as these were little tabs that came with the kit I just haven't used yet. And also just a little random sticker that I thought maybe I could use somewhere. Then I made a little page lifter, which has been very helpful. This was paper from that same Happy Scrappy kit. And on the back I did put, this is like my little sticky note dashboard. I did put them on the back though. I don't know why. Maybe because it was easier to like take everything and flip it all to the back. I just have some small flags here. Some, well, this is a bigger one, as well as a medium-sized one. These ones I did also get from Petite Pink Boutique. They were like monochrome and I thought they fit pretty well. Then I have a little paper clip also from Petite Pink Boutique. This one looks like a diamond when it's like that, but when you put it down, it kind of removes the whole diamond effect. But yeah, I have that here in case I need it to mark something. Then I have another one of those chunky silver ones, and I guess it's kind of holding down my washi sample card I made. This is just like some colors I wanted to use that kind of fit this setup. Like I said, I don't really decorate or use washi in this planner a lot, but in case I wanted to, I thought it would be good to have. Washi can be good for so many other things too on the go, so I thought it was very practical as well. Then I have, this is just a random black one once again, and these two are kind of helping to hold together this die cut, which is really pretty. This one I got from the Powder World, and it's a girl reading in her planner with a top knot. It's so pretty, and it's like monochrome, but then she has like a little pink bow there, which is so pretty. Also, color-wise, really went with my theme, I thought, so I really wanted to have her in here. Then I have the pen, which is a PenGems pen. This is the gray marble one that came with the Dolce Vita collection. Now, I did have this pen in here, and I did use it in this planner, but with the original refill or ink, it felt really chunky to write on my pages, and I can actually almost show you. I don't know, my handwriting never looked good with it. Also, I mean, I don't really try in this planner, I just jot things down. If I'm gonna use this pen in this planner, I have to get another refill, because in this planner specifically, it felt too chunky and a little hard to write with. So actually, what I have been carrying around, this is what I want it to look like, but actually lately what I have been using in this planner is actually this pen. This pen I got with a Happy Scrappy kit. It is a gel pen, which is this one, I think it's like a 0.5 tip, which is a lot more my style, and it works a lot better. So it has looked a little better with it since. And yeah, it just fits really well in here too. I could keep it, I mean, it does look good. I just think the marble one with the silver looks a lot better. But also I realized that I have these marble sticky notes I really want to put in. But, oh, actually they fit here. So I thought maybe I could put in some of those. These ones I also got from Blushable Boutique. Let's see, I'm just gonna put them down here. Because sticky notes are very functional. I like that you actually can fit regular sized sticky notes in here because it's a really good size. So yeah, that's good. Now I have some more sticky notes. So yeah, guys, that was my pocket planner setup. And I feel like I have to jump back into this planner and use it because it's so cute. I have to fit in my handbag. That's a problem. Loving small handbags. Being a small handbag girl, but not having the space for your planners as a planner girl. So I have a dilemma here. If you have any tips for me, please let me know. But other than that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I also hope to see you next time. Bye for now!